This is Reed playing in the snow. How was it?
It was good. There's a lot of deer down there.
Is there?
Yeah. It's a bull.
The front one's a bull. I don't know what the back one is. Oh, you bull with it. I don't know.
I should have shot that in the head. Then they got some fresh elk tracks. Coming from up there. Huh? Yeah, they're going to, yeah, there's gotta be at least half a dozen. But it looks like they went up over that face right there.
I'm saying they might not be too far on the other side.
So if we go up here, maybe we can look. Okay. I think you hit her.
Did I hit her?
She looked like she jumped down a little bit. How many is there? 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And they were all above us. Oh, there's some more over there. That's like all of them. So here's what we got. We got this herd of like 22 going, and they were about, what'd you say, 420-ish on the other side. I don't know if I can even find her.
See the big pine tree that's kind of dead?
Uh-huh.
Come down to the first cedars and then to the left. I can see her back.
I think that's her laying right there. They were kind of run, like a trot run. And there was the last big cow with 2 calves, because the other group was too bunched up. So he just kept leading her. I think he shot 2 or 3 times and
5.
5 times? Okay.
Yeah, that was number 5.
That was number 5. That's okay. Put it right above her head, right in front of her. And she just dropped. So.
Oh, we just came from up there.
I know. They're going right over where we just came from. That's good though. That's one canyon we don't have to carry her through.
There they go over the top, you can see one.
Yeah.
She's
That's-
still laying, isn't she? Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, I gotta hike all the way back up that thing. Oh boy. Better call in reinforcements.
Yeah, lots of them. Well, as you can see, we got a big old cow here. Reed's been watching this herd for the last 3 days, but they've been over on some private property, and last night we're driving out, they were right on the edge of the private property, and so we ran up here this morning and they'd moved on to public, and we hiked all the way in here. It took us about 4 hours to get into where they were at, and we ended up getting over to where they're at and ended up spooking them out. I shot and missed one, and they took off and ran clear around the big old basin that's over here, and we came over and saw them going across this hillside, single file. We actually came across this hill earlier this morning. Saw them coming across and thought I'd give it a shot, and we ranged her, and my rangefinder was a little cold, so it wasn't ranging very well, but I got a range of 430 yards, a little bit below her, and so I was aiming a little bit over her back and missed 3 times, but the last bullet found her. She fell right in her tracks, didn't go anywhere. We ended up adding up the ranges and figured out that it was about 575 yards. So quite the shot. I definitely consider a little bit of luck involved there. But I got some new bullets. My gun, and I was pretty confident in how they dropped and how they performed. And they performed just how they're supposed to. So now we got the fun part to get her out. I think she's probably the biggest cow I've ever seen on the ground. So we're trying to figure, we probably got 3/4 of a mile to get back to the truck. And with just me and Reed, I don't know how we're gonna do it, but we'll figure out a way. So, fun is just beginning.